This is an active construction site, and I'm going to be coming back over the next 3 weeks to make 3D models using this, the PortalCam from XGrids. Jumping straight into the data, let's check out week 1. First, you can see the concrete forms being set up and ready for a pour. And if I come over here, we have a massive spoil pile, most likely from the dig. Now if I fly over to the other side of the job site, here's a foundation already done with the subfloor being decked. And all this was done in 30 minutes of capture. Now I'm jumping into week 2. Forms are totally gone and the concrete foundation walls are fully exposed. You can even see the rebar dowels sticking straight up out of the top, ready for the next level. And over here, that spoils pile is still there, but it's getting a little bit shorter. Now zipping back over to the other section, you can see the vertical framing going up on the rear exterior walls. And finally, week 3, this is where it all comes together. That foundation's completely backfilled now, packed in around the perimeter and inside the garage section too. And if I come over to that spoil pile it's completely gone. And in its place is a brand new excavation for the next unit with tarp laid down at the bottom. Now if I fly back over to that framing area, almost the entire first floor is done. Red steel I-beams going in above the garage, and you can see there's sheathing in between for a firewall separating the units. That's 3 weeks of progress, all captured in photorealistic 3D. Now if that was your first time seeing a Gaussian splat, or maybe your first time just seeing one of a construction site, this is where the technology is right now, today. It's super simple to go out there and capture a 3D model that looks the exact quality I just showed you. Each one of those scans took me about 30 to 45 minutes, and it didn't take a specialized surveyor or any specialized technician. You can hand that camera to anybody, and you're gonna get a 3D model that looks just like the one I showed you. And my prediction is, over the next 6 to 12 months, these cameras are only gonna get more affordable, and the quality is only gonna get better. So now the question is, if capturing a photorealistic 3D environment of the progress of your job site is this easy, how do you actually use this data and integrate it into your workflows that you're using today? If you're in construction, you're already using tools like PlanGrid, Procore, or Autodesk Construction Cloud. And if you're in the utilities or infrastructure space, then you're definitely using ArcGIS. These are amazing tools and they're not going anywhere. But we saw a need for, what do you do with these new Gaussian splats? You need to host them, organize them. Maybe you have hundreds of projects or thousands of assets. We need an enterprise solution to organize, share, and integrate these Gaussian splats into our existing workflows. And that's exactly why we built the tool Splat Labs. Let me show you what's inside. In the Splat Labs dashboard, you can create projects, organize them into folders, and share individual projects or entire folders with your team or your clients. Every project gets an embeddable link, so you can drop it directly into ACC, embed it into an ArcGIS dashboard, reference it in Revit, put it on your website, a Zillow listing, really it works everywhere. Now, here inside the dataset, if you need to verify dimensions or check clearances, you can take measurements right in the 3D model. If your team needs to communicate about something on site, you can leave comments pinned to the exact spot in question. Your PM drops a comment right where the problem is, and the whole team sees it. And soon, those comments are going to sync directly with issues in Autodesk Construction Cloud. So you flag it in the 3D model, and it shows up as an issue in ACC automatically. If you need to create a walkthrough for a client or a stakeholder, you can generate cinematic fly-throughs right from the viewer. And if your audience isn't as comfortable navigating freely in 3D, you can set up a guided walkthrough by placing clickable points on the ground, just like Matterport. It's a much more seamless experience for clients or stakeholders who just want to explore without figuring out the controls. Now, if you have multiple scans, say room by room, or maybe exterior and interior, or even possible multiple floors of a building, you can connect them together through portals, enabling you to walk directly from one splat to the next splat in one seamless navigable experience. And in this video, if you're tracking progress over time, you can upload multiple captures of the same site, and Splat Labs gives you a 4D timeline, toggling from one scan to the next scan to see exactly how the site is changed from one visit to the next. And all this works natively directly on mobile as well, so you can share it on your phone or iPad. Now here's something else that I'm really excited about that we'll be introducing to our enterprise users soon, and that's cloud processing. Because whenever you have one of these Splat devices, each scan of 30 minutes to 45 minutes can take up to 12 hours to process. And so you probably don't even have enough computers to process all the data that you're going to capture. And that's why we're going to enable you to scale up and scale out using the Splat Labs cloud platform to process these data sets as well. That's coming soon. And of course, we have the enterprise control of roles and permissions, so that way you can manage an entire team through your Splat Labs account. So guys, that's Splat Labs as it stands right now. Why don't we go ahead and jump right back into those data sets and start exploring these 3D construction sites. Now, if you like this video and want to see more content just like this, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Now let's just jump in these data sets, start walking around and exploring and looking at all the detail it captured. Maybe you see something that's unique to you that I didn't mention in the video. Just make sure you leave a comment down below with whatever you thought was really amazing about these data sets. Now, I thought it was pretty phenomenal how it sees every single 2x4, even in these complicated environments. I went through 3 stories of this building and it came out perfectly. These foundations, phenomenal. I mean, really seeing that rebar come up out of that foundation is quite astonishing to see that small little minutia of a detail. Everything looks great. Let's just keep walking around this data set and let it play out.